Okay, picture this. You're standing at the edge of a dense, totally unforgiving forest. The air is freezing, the ground is completely soaked, and modern civilization, yeah, that's miles and miles away. Welcome to our explainer. Today, we are unpacking a really fascinating psychological case study that's basically disguised as a massive wilderness social experiment. Because look, this isn't just about, building fires or finding fresh water. It is a raw, totally unfiltered look at what human nature actually does under extreme duress.
And well, this is the number that makes it all happen. $250,000. That is the massive, completely life-changing prize waiting at the very end of this challenge. 100 people have been dropped right into the middle of the wilderness, and whichever team has the most people left standing when help finally arrives, they get to split that staggering amount of money. So, right out of the gate, the stakes are incredibly high. Which brings us to the core premise of our explainer today. Like, what actually happens when 100 modern humans are completely stranded in the woods? Do our primal survival instincts suddenly kick in and take over? Or does our absolute reliance on modern convenience become our ultimate downfall? Well, we're gonna look at exactly how this experiment played out, and I've gotta tell you, the results are pretty surprising. The ultimate survival setup. 100 people, 2 teams, 1 massive prize. So to really test the human elements of survival here, the creators set up this brilliant dichotomy with starkly contrasting starting conditions. On one side, we have the blue team, 50 seasoned wilderness experts. These are people who confidently claim they could just hang out in the woods for 3 months for fun. They packed specifically to survive any climate. And on the other side, the red team. 50 complete amateurs who explicitly admitted they might not be cut out for the wilderness at all. Their only advantage was a pre-game shopping spree at a retail store to buy whatever they thought they might need. So essentially, we're watching textbook wilderness knowledge go head-to-head against store-bought morale.
Shelter and food strategies, resources versus resourcefulness. Right on night 1, the temperature dropped drastically. Now the blue team, relying on their expertise, immediately went to work constructing these elaborate debris shelters. We're talking thick layers of sticks covered in foot-thick leaves for proper thermal insulation. The red team, meanwhile, they relied entirely on their purchases. Some literally pitched tiny kids' tents, kids' tents, and laid tarps right on the freezing ground. For the amateurs, it was a fast setup that kind of felt like a fun weekend camping trip. But the experts knew that a proper, labor-intensive shelter was absolutely crucial to survive those plunging temperatures.
And the food situation